crowded.
Noisy too. Got a cheese one?
It's nice to take the weight off your feet.
What sort of cheese was that?
Bhí Seamus Napier, bhí Kieran O'Cahan, Birch atá Llína Péiríne go ndeannaí GOI orthu Birch, Thomas O'Monaghan, Albert Fry. Gaeilgeoirí a lig a bhí páirteach an sin rud.
Caidiú is muútear an Bullscracht a dachalaise an rialtastá an Bullscracht a bhí an gur scrisú much an a haid na daine ar ó cónaí áras a tráid seo gur scrisiad héan a chud títhe smútear sin. Dearthaí gurú sin de Jack Achasan tas a ráháil tam a gáil an tráid an áthógal.
Mis an léadú a bhí ag glanú bailach na líadífa agus ag ginse cén trú gur thóirú an gáil bail seo siúd agus cén aidir ó contairt sáúd lí anú.
Thosaí muid an nídála deag a bhí na nólaigh seascaní, right, agus bhí rudí suirt fadlach fear tamalt, agus sin daine teacht bhgéirí codú.
Dír mé íseacht tucailtóir agus teomanaid an tucailtóir ó cólacht a bhí aithne go mar. Wargal mé rud amach agus thóg sin a dúrá.
Bhí fateas ortha céim ará agus daine cróga chuí suas ar na scaffolds a gcéadla, mar bhí an tíomhstíad trí nó ceir a bhí revision, bhí daine scailte marl ar an tráid sin. Beidir gur bhaisiad go raibh an cótha deabhéin a tucha ag díana ar thug sin ceo an céadla.
Realise here that that part of the street was burnt. There's 42 houses were destroyed here, right? But this part of the street, this sort of elbow here, survived.
They were just starting to build the founds, and we had up in that corner with a big cast iron hut. And then I was doing it voluntary. I come along and done it, and I organised doing quite a bit of the work here. Don't come into the scaffold, but he came into the scaffold and we all went down.
He buckled it all over.
And I went down, broke my leg.
I came into Bombay Street and I was very proud and honoured to work in Bombay Street with such a great crowd. And it mixed me in with the community, so it did. People I didn't know. I came from Ardoyne at the time.
He wouldn't keep the cast on, he wouldn't keep the plaster Paris on. And we cut it off with a hammered chisel. Oh, shouldn't be Bernadette Dablin, mar hapla. Shouldn't ban of he rotakla, he no be ban ogo vinci ogo fishy a male phobble like an amshan. August who she America. Agus a géirí airige a hógal, agus ar an Bullscracht a bhí an a papri nuachta agus ó na sasannaí agus rála gur sé gola maithe sin airige a hógal fanní a gonnaí agus rála hógal. Sin gur thug sí beidir ceir a bhíle níos an pontaí a bhí an ag thug sí an tairige sin de Bombay Street.
Once the Bombay Street issue is settled, as it presumably will be inside the next few months, what then?
Well, what we plan to do, as you know, is to raise a certain amount of money. This money is to build houses and to do nothing else.
Kieran O'Cahan, Bacarja Kieran, doing here league. Agus bhí sé sin a bháil den céad scaifte hanig le chéile.
Bhí sé na innealtóir sifialta súlaneacha sé le cuasaigh nó agus rinne sé sin bhí sé na léictóir le gnó in san ollscoil.
Glach sé héin cinneal banisir anú a rudí.
Hui Kieran go America le Paddy Davlin agus fuair sé brint fonta ní mar agurú sé méid sin ach sin go bhfuirmid airige ó daine a chunan na Gaeilge agus rála.
Do you remember Teresa? Do you remember Harry?
And demo course. The Jacktery of Yogan, you fish, Tassa fi land ruddy on, ever him fi ruddy meat lack and show him the token meat lack. The building firm was fined £3 Belfast Magistrates Court yesterday for starting to erect buildings on the south side of Bombay Street. Now that's the 10 block, Mac Jersey, without giving proper notice to the city surveyors. Ní rús ó go déan jury bhí go bhfuil sin an early nó bhí bagart ó an Belfast City Council go dúirid siad bulldoversteach agus naite a lagan.
Agus níor Harry Lee ensign curse ar fad.
Good to see you.
Yeah.
Good to see you. Patsy, of course.
I'm always seeing this show.
Always seeing Patsy, yeah.
I know that's definitely showing, and I always thought that was
That's right,
hard.
that's
like me.
Well,
I'm good. That's good looking
That
fella.
is very, very nice to
That's
have that,
Ron,
you know.
that's not you.
That's me.
But,
Yeah. I remember that.
Like long along here.
Yes,
that's
give me long hair. I think I was always like this.
That's me.
Sean Cade Chak a fuair iocratha mí bheithú ní géad seachú. Agus sin an céad try a thógmuid. Ní romuid abal a bogu áte bíal nó bhí lína hécan a lára tráid seo, ná sé bhfuil sin bhór seaú. Agus crísne ma díad ón corneal seo. Bhí Mrs. Dinnan an seo agus Mrs. McPeak a stíon seo, so fuair siad an iocratha ó chean.
Sin rud mór, that's it. You know, Dini Arish Tibasti the Viewine ní bliana bhíon. Like sin rud éideach a bhíon. Na bhíon éid garú hí bhíon talú seo, you know, bhí sé cos a war zone mar a deartha. Ach nach rúin bhean sin éideach sásta agus mac saci meice.
Is Kevin am sin go mai Dearan gro couple of daine an sin agus Sagart agus minister agus daine mór le rá. An rud chorintas or ní ro politorí mar folatorí on bhí lucht na Gaeilge go mór an sin.
We couldn't wait to get back to the street. I mean, and we're still in it and we'll never move. I have grandchildren and all now. We'll never leave it. Never.
Now, we were burned out in August and I was back in the street again. Sean and all the lads at the street built up again and I came back on the 11th of July.
Bhí sé aráis agus bhí an full a gold fridge corpse agus agus bhí an full a gold freezing bricadrach, bhí an callan on, bhí ceol na baistí on.
I felt like I was in heaven. I was that glad and delighted to get back to the street again.
We weren't scared and the family weren't. My mum and daddy were delighted to get back in.
Oh, now, I loved the wee house was burned down on me, but these are better homes and God, with all our orders when we came in here, sure, with no bathrooms nor nothing in the other houses. Sure, you couldn't have got into the bathroom with the family. They thought it was great with the bathrooms and all.
Níl sé dúltach ar bhealach ar bí an rud a rinmuid an seo. Thógmuid tithe le ligan de Guinea hacht ar éis a chonaí an áid ar a besiad.
Tá sé 10 bliain ó rinne Bombay a thógáil, agus bhí sé teata go mé comar éigen an.
Bhí rins ceilú in 10 bliain an seo an siúd. Bhí mé híon páirte go Cúnaháin hí sa Culturland nuair a haismuid nuair a bheith daile amach an leor bheith a scríb forbais ferste agus rins sé job ionach mai leis. Tá sé mar prontnas big ach tá sé samúil agus crúdaíon an rud an páirte bhí aganne leis an rud.
There's a massive coming together in the aftermath of the events of 1969. That's why it's important young people know what happened 40 years ago and learn from it. That's the important thing. Because that's the evil of sectarianism. And sectarianism still exists today in both communities. It has to be confronted and dealt with. Because we never want to be in a situation again where people have to face, you know, their homes getting burnt, people getting shot dead in their own street.
the American pyramids if you on, take it say, a pyramid sugar if you on.
It brought this whole community of Clonard together. It brought the whole of people together.
God, they were great houses, these. Brilliant houses.
Darlinja got Amson gur the Tia, General the small Jerry Shaw.
Played a major part in restoring community morale, community confidence.
Well, Hannick Dini Oga Ration Show. Agus Hog should clan on. Agus the clan Og in the organization chart. So nil sampler be, nil larger be than Aglavian Show.
And you knew my mummy then?
Oh, I knew your mummy and father well, and it was delighted to be thinking back of them.
Ní armid Ian Rudd acht tús ceiniacht at lacu ar rud a bhí le deanú ag den éigean ag amigan.
Agus nar a Harley Shaska ní, bíwas gurú Gaelicery a riú a gobber ar las and fubble.
I don't think you had the same level of morale or confidence without that project.
Bombay Street will always be here, son, no doubt about that. And it will get better, it will get better.
See you again.
Right, thanks. Right, sure.
We must live with each other. It is a mixed society. We must live with each other. But that does not mean that we're not going to demand justice.
Bí an bí long bí Costa bí Kroga bí Clista bí Quinta bí Costa bí Glick bí Grover Galgarach bí Soccer Lastek is bí Dainach bí Trum Ganchana Serve Eda Chri Eda Chaulan Santri and a Chortutu and a Lahar a Peka Ludar and Oil too.